After months of dirty river water, we finally have a break and the river looks better than ever. Full of bait and birds everywhere, it was time to go and fill the esky. First cast with the Crush City. Yeah, well that's interesting. I literally threw in there with the prawn. Whoa! Not bad for the young bloke.
That's a good flatty, man.
Yeah, I might even keep a few, to be honest with you, brother. I've got ice in the esky. Mum's been asking for a feed. I'm gonna go for a flatty fish. Why not? Number one. On the old Cross City. Threw in there with a prawn, no good. Literally first cast with a little, got a big Willy Crush City. Shout out to Mick Horn. And the suspect in the neon pearly chartreusey looking thing. Yeah, interesting. But this guy's going to come home for a feed. I'm going to keep a few today. Haven't had fresh fish for a while, and why not? Have you seen a mag draft in action yet? Oh, bro. It's literally just a rolling plastic. It has no action on the drop. No, they're meant for jacks. Cod. Big flatty. Have a look at it, though.
Oh, how's the colour that throws off it, man? Pretty good.
But yeah, ready on the drop?
Yeah,
it's a rolling backhoe.
Yuck. That was a fish on me then.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, bro.
That's a good flathead, man.
Wow.
That's a good flathead.
He crunched that.
Bro, that's not a bad fish.
Yeah, he's not huge, but geez, he pumped that, bro. Just said how good it would be to catch a flatty on this. 70 maybe? Oh.
Fish. No, he's bigger than 70. Look at him. He's a rig. That's a cool fish.
Wow, he smashed that. That was such a cool eat. Bang. Nah, he's not that big.
Big? He's 70.
Oh, maybe. Pretty fish. Oh man, he crunched that thing. Sick. Oh yeah, he's bigger than I thought. He could be a 70. Sick.
70, man.
Beautiful fish.
Jolly.
I'm like watching you're like fish on mine. I'm looking at the bat minnow, then my rod just went dunk. I'm like, that's a fish.
That. I had that here on that, and then you got that. Look at that whole thing, man.
Oh guys, look at that thing. Awesome, 65, 66 on that mag draft. Just came up here on the bank, noticed a lot of mullet working. Geez, he messed that up. Oh no. But yeah, just threw that up on the flats. Davo had a boil on his spent minnow and I looked over and then bang. Gorgeous flathead. We'll get this one back. A little bit too big to keep. I think my limit's about 55 to keep, and then anything bigger than that, we'll throw back. So beautiful flathead though. Look at that thing. Lovely. Cool. Beautiful, mate. Let's get some more, man. Woo! Little toadies around. Oh, talking about cute little toadies. Look at him.
One.
Look at it. Oh. Oh.
Did you really catch one?
Yeah, look at him. Isn't he cute? Hey, little buddy. These little creeks are just, you never know, man. Be a giant in here. Plenty of bait. I'll give you a dinner. Is that a dinner? That's a dinner? How big do they got to be?
That's why everyone's doing it. It's just waiting those 2 years.
Had to be one in there. That's another dinner fly. Feels like that. Yeah. Oh, look at the mullet in here. Yep, I'd love. Oh! Just kill yourself, bruz.
Fuck, that was a knock. That's a headache.
Not like the one he's about to have. Yeah. Small flatty maybe? Little dewy?
That's such a good sign.
Little dewy guys. We've stopped fishing the flats for flatty. We've filled the esky. We're happy with that. And we're coming out on this nice little side, chasing dewy. There's the first one. Tiny little guy. Seeing some good bait and some good fish on the sounder. So, oh, check that sounder out now, bro. There he is, little fella. Yeah, I'm just using a 5-inch Cascade paddle tail, 3/8 ounce, 20 litre, 20 braid, 3 to 6 kilo rod, 4,000 reel. Just yeah, tide's just starting to come in, so this big long cast, let it drop down there. Fishing anywhere between 6 to 9 meters, so plenty of fish. Look at the sounder, holy. Oh,
100?
yeah. Oh. Wow. Not a huge hit, but definitely came back. Oh. That was so weird.
You had so many goes at it, man.
What is that? Woohoo!
Is it a tailor or is it a brim?
No, it's a tay. Jumping tay. Oh, well, Taylor, nothing exciting, but it's a fish, I suppose. Get a few of those, I'd smoke them, but for some weird reason I always catch one, keep one, and then I'm stuck with one. I can never catch more than one Taylor. Now I've said that, that's all I'm going to catch for the rest of the afternoon. Jeez, look at that. Buy plastic. Get up, get on up. I'm going to call it, man. I think you might get a jack.
A jack?
Yep. Ooh, flats. Not silver. Trev. Is it a Trev? Jeez, he's going hard. Yeah. Oh, Brimbo. Maybe another brim.
It's all quiet, John. Talk to me.
Oh! Flatman? Still feeling that esky, eh? Not a bad lizard at all, bro.
That's sick, man. These fish are so about to turn on, bro.
Woo! Nice flatty, guys. Probably about a 50, 52 or something. Dispatch this guy and we're going to keep fishing until dark. I've been on the water since 5 o'clock this morning, so I'm absolutely knackered, but be ashamed to miss the top of this tide. The water is super clear. It's the best we've seen the river in about 4 months. Nice and clear, heaps of bait around, so yeah, hopefully we can lock onto a decent jewie. Anyway, we'll keep on going.